Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve when x power is x and the whole power is 3 minus 729 is equals to 0, and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video. So first I am taking minus 729 to other side. So x power 3 is equals to 729. So 729, we can write it as 9 cube. So I'm going to replace it. So x power 3 is equals to 9 power 3. Now I'm doing cube both sides. So x power 3 is equals to 9 power 3 power 3. Now, according to the rule of exponent, x power m power n is equals to x power mn. So we can write it as x power 3x power 3 is equals to 9 power 9. Now, I'm using this rule. So I can write it as x power 3 power 3x is equals to 9 power 9, or x power 3 power x power 3 is equals to 9 power 9. So now on comparing both sides, the value of x cube is 9. So and we have to find the value of x. So I'm taking cube roots both sides. So cube root of x cube is equals to 9 cube root. Now with the help of this cube root, this power of x is eliminated. So x is equals to cube root of 9. So the value of x is cube root of 9. I hope it's clear and easy to solve. If you find it useful, please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.